Hello student, today we will do question number 7 from exercise 6.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Using theorem, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. First we will draw prove that a line, this is triangle, suppose now this is A, this is A, B, C. Here prove that line through, and this is midpoint. Suppose this is D. D is midpoint. Now through this midpoint we draw parallel line to this. This is E. Prove that line drawn to the midpoint bisects the third sides. Means we have to prove given to prove AE is equal to EC. Given AD is equal to BD, because D is midpoint and DE parallel BC. So in triangle ABC, these are given, so therefore AD by DB or BD, AD by BD is equal to AE by EC by basic proportionality theorem. And AD is equal to BD. AD is equal to BD here, not AD is equal to BD. So AD is equal to BD. Now here we'll put in place of BD, we can write AD by AD. AD by AD is equal to AE by EC. A reason since AD is equal to BD. So this will be cut and this is 1. So 1 is equal to AE by EC Therefore, AE is equal to EC. Good. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.